For most of aviation history, aircraft could only move forward. Vertical flight seemed impossible until Germany in the late 1930s introduced a series of experimental helicopters that quietly transformed aviation. From the first practical helicopter to heavy-lift innovations, these machines laid the foundation for modern rotary flight. The story of practical helicopters begins with the Focke-Wulf FW-61. First flown in 1936, it became the first helicopter to demonstrate stable and controlled flight. Instead of a single rotor, it used two large rotors mounted on outriggers on each side of the fuselage, providing remarkable balance and control. The aircraft soon broke multiple world records for helicopters, including altitude, endurance, and distance. For the first time in history, vertical flight was not just a dream, it was reliable and ready to inspire future designs. And now we have the Flettner FL-265, a helicopter that introduced a completely different rotor concept. It used two intermeshing rotors that spun in opposite directions, overlapping without touching. This eliminated the need for a tail rotor while maintaining remarkable stability for such a compact aircraft. Although only a few prototypes were built, this innovative design proved that new rotor concepts could shape the future of helicopter engineering. As for the Flettner FL-282 Colibri, it became one of the first helicopters used operationally. Small, agile, and surprisingly capable, the Colibri could perform reconnaissance, transport light cargo, and operate from tight spaces like ships or small fields. Its intermeshing rotor system made it exceptionally stable under difficult conditions. This helicopter proved that vertical flight was not only possible, but also practical for real-world missions. Finally, we reach the Focke-Agilise FA-223 Draka, one of the most ambitious helicopters of its era. This large twin-rotor aircraft could carry cargo, transport personnel, and even perform rescue missions in mountainous terrain. On one historic flight, the FA-223 completed a long-distance journey across Germany, an extraordinary feat for vertical flight at that time. These four pioneering helicopters, FW-61, FL-265, FL-282 Colibri, and FA-223, together laid the foundations for modern rotary aviation. These early machines were experimental and built in limited numbers, yet they accomplished something extraordinary. Vertical flight had become a practical reality. From these humble beginnings, the modern helicopter was born. Subscribe to the Industrial Archive to explore more stories about the machines that shaped aviation.